Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekends YouTube channel. Today we're here in the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. And today we're going to be checking out Tiana's Bayou adventure directly behind me. It's going to be a ton of fun, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, y'all, like Louis said, we're here in the Magic Kingdom today. I know, we know. This ride has been out for a minute. However, we are slackers and did not get on the ride ever. So
we've been busy. You know, we got other things to do.
A lot of things, yeah. So anyway, so we're here, we're doing it, we're gonna check it out. So we are going to record this video in its entirety over on our other channel, Weekend Ride, so you guys can check that out too, so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. But we're gonna get you some clips of the rides, what we see, what we notice, how things are different from previous iterations of this ride, and yeah, check all things out.
Yeah, you guys may have seen other video reviews of this ride, but you haven't seen our video review of this ride yet, so that's why you should stick around to the end.
Yeah.
And hit that subscribe button if you want more videos like this.
Absolutely.
Just got done wrapping up a full review of Liberty Square, and later today we actually have restaurant reservations over at Kona Cafe at the Polynesian.
Yeah, so we do all things here at Disney on this channel. So.
Well, not just Disney, but we do all the touristy things.
Yeah. Central
Florida and abroad.
Absolutely. All that being said, we're going to go get in line. I think it's like about an hour ride, and we're going to go see what we can see. Ready?
All right, let's go.
Let's go. So let's go into the critter coop and see what we can see in there. Oh my goodness, this place is adorable.
Yeah, and so it's also interesting too that they moved the gift shop from its original location on the other side of the square, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So this is I don't remember what was here before. I don't think anything.
Well, a long time ago, there was a gift shop here related to, like, you know, the Frontierland merch, but then they rebranded it here. That's pretty cool. Plenty of stuffies. So Mama Odie does have her own hot sauce here, so check that out if you like spicy. And they even have some Mardi Gras popcorn. That's pretty cool. Tiana's
Bayou Adventure used to be Splash Mountain, and it was recently refurbished in 2024.
No, it was before that.
Huh?
They closed it around COVID, I thought, didn't they?
No.
Okay.
No, we were right after that. But it's just last year it was refurbished, and it was recently reopened. Well, you know, recently in the grand scheme of things, right? A few months ago.
It's been like a year, I think, at this point.
A year. All right, yeah. But it's got a whole new theming. Just from outside, we can already see like it's much more lush than it was before. Everything looks clean and new. And super excited to check this out and see what it looks like now. So we are at the back of the line, and it is a 65-minute wait. So when Christine got the idea to run over here, it was like a 50-minute wait. And then we took our time. Now it's a 65-minute wait.
Well, someone had to do the outro for the last video.
Oh, is that it?
That's it.
Oh, someone else had to go check out the gift shop just now, and we lost another 5 minutes there.
Okay. Worth it.
All right, so checking out the new murals on the walls here. Very nice, very nice. And I do see over there they do have Tiana's Bayou general stores. So it looks like they probably do still have that gift shop as well. So it's actually 2 gift shops for one ride.
No, I think all the doors are closed. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe you're right.
All right, we'll go check that out after.
Yeah, I think you exit through that. So we kept some of the birdhouses left over from the last ride that was here. So some of the theming is still here, but it's definitely much more airier than it was before.
And here we are right in the thick of the line.
We've only been in line for 5 minutes, honey.
Yeah, well, we're right in the center of like all the theming for the line and everything. So a lot of it is still the same as was before, but it's all got like kind of revamped, refurbished, new paint colors and all that. It looks very clean, very nice. I like it. And Christine is pointing out that the pole lights here look a little bit more like New Orleans. So you got more lines, more chaotic cabling.
Chaotic cabling, is that it? It's not Thailand.
Not that bad, yeah.
Kept putting that clip here where we almost got decapitated.
Where a double-decker bus hit the power line.
Yes, put that in here. What was that? What was that?
That was a power line.
Holy crap! We almost got electrocuted in Bangkok. Whose idea was this?
All right, and to complete the look, they got this classic car out here. This thing is sweet looking. I like it a lot. And again, of course, another amazing, stunning mural. And this tree has a power outlet. Oh, it's not a tree. It's fine. You're right over there.
Oh, yeah, this tree's a power outlet. Oh, wait, it's not a tree.
And of course, they got this warning here telling us it's a 50-foot plunge. Oh my goodness. Are you ready for a 50-foot plunge?
Sure. That's fun. We got
Yeah, we got some beignets.
I love a beignet. Put your that phone because we're gonna hop on the ride soon and hopefully not get the camera to it. Let's go. There you go. To the very front. Come on. You good, bro?
What's that?
You good?
I gotta go for speed mode.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sport mode and hard.
Sport mode, yeah. Sport mode engaged.
Alright, here we go. Woo! Okay. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Alright, oh god. Oh boy. That's fun. Oh, that's pretty.
Whee.
Oh, I like this. Woo! Alright.
Oh.
Oh, look, it's Tiana and what's his face when they're frogs. That's fun. Okay.
Yeah, I just lost my mic.
Uh-oh. It's so pretty.
Hey, there's Tiana now.
Hold on.
Hey, Bayou! Lewis is up ahead. Let's join me for the big cross.
Oh, Lewis is the crocodile alligator. That's fun. Woo! Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, there's Lewis the alligator. But I think it's L-O-U-I-S.
Citizens out here who want to jam, the party's about to begin.
So pretty. Louisiana gator peppers. Okay, that's fun. So pretty. Never ever lose sight of what's really important. Okay. There we go.
Oh boy. Hey ho!
Okay. Woo!
Oh!
Oh no!
Tiana was right. There are all musicians out here at turn up.
No doubt. We'll ask them to join the band.
Tiana, you were right. The Bayou's got just what we need. Y'all small and strong.
Been there, done that. But you found the sound of great.
Alright, this is it. This is the big one. Alright, here we go.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Let's get you to the party. Got there in no time.
So pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Whoa!
Oh man! I'm wet. Oh.
You won't get too wet on this ride.
I didn't say that. I never said that. The sign back there said you may get wet. Now's your last chance to exit.
Oh, we wet, y'all. Oh god. Y'all keep that waterfall away. We're not done. Look at the nose. Alright, here we go. Around the bayou. Aw, that's pretty.
You are one wet lady.
Soggy princess. But overall, it was a fun ride. It was cute. We were told that if you sat in the front row, you weren't going to get as wet. No. Feel in the back, a little bit more dry than we were. So all that being said, I would do it again. It was nice. It was kind of cool to see like how they re-themed Splash Mountain. So good for it.
Yeah, absolutely. I thought it was a ton of fun. I really enjoy water rides, and I don't think that we do enough of them just because we don't want to get wet. but every once in a while it's worth getting wet because I think they're so much fun. And this one was really good. It's got a couple ups and downs, right? Obviously, it's the same ride as it was before when it was Splash Mountain, just themed differently now. Pretty much like the same experience, but just different theming.
Yeah.
And it was nice though having like a new revamped interior here, all new clean decorations and everything. Gives it a whole new vibe. It doesn't feel as dirty or dingy as it did before, so I really like that aspect of it. And overall, I thought it was pretty enjoyable. All right, so we got one more gift shop to check out, and then we'll wrap this video up.
How's that?
All right, so here we are entering Tiana's Bayou General. So they do have photo pickup, pin trading, and then also looks like a lot of the same merchandise that we saw in the other store just across the street. If you stopped in, I think the other store's got like probably more merchandise. I don't think it's really worth stopping over here, but I guess they had the space, and so they might as well fill it with something, and that's what you get. Did end up buying some Banana Foster milk chocolate, but we'll see if that's any good. You think it actually is going to taste like bananas?
I hope so. Have you ever had Bananas Foster?
It's like an ice cream thing, isn't it?
Nope.
It says it's got ingredients of freeze-dried bananas and banana extract.
Yeah, so Bananas Foster is like flambéed bananas. They typically put like some sort of like liqueur on it and then light it on fire.
Yeah, definitely got like some of that, faux banana flavor to it.
Chocolate and bananas. Not bad. That's the second banana I had today.
I wasn't around for the first one.
Yes, you were. You were on my waffles this morning.
Oh, okay.
You were totally around for that. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap up the video here. Hope you all enjoyed the video. I had a great time riding Tiana's, and we're only like, a bazillion years late on getting you guys an update on that one. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and there is this guy with pro tips.
Here's your pro tips for riding Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Say number one is, if you want to get wet, sit in the front row. If you don't want to get wet, don't sit in the front row. Number two is, if you want to skip the line, you can't buy a lightning lane for this ride. And number three is, check out the gift shops because there's two of them, and you might find something you like. Check out the Banana Foster's chocolate. That's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really helps us out. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye! Marching Man! Woo! Apparently, also check out tourists yelling at their people on the ride. So, all that being said, we're going.
Magic Kingdom and Disney Imagination Campus are proud to present from Chelsea, Alabama, the Chelsea High School Marching Band. Please welcome.
A marching band is going to be here in 2 seconds. So that's all you're going to hear.
Yeah. All right. And today we're going to be checking out Tiana's River Bayou directly behind me.
Bayou Adventure.
All right. All new.
Hang on.
Flambéed.
Yeah. Oh, if you would stop moving and I can get it in focus. All right, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. All right, guys. We're gonna wrap. Take 3, take 4, take 5.
If you want to skip the line, you can buy a fast pass for this ride.
Lightning lane.
If you want to skip the line, you can buy a fast pass.
Lightning lane.
Number two is, if you want to skip the line, you can buy a. Number two is, if you want to buy a.
That was like the fastest you've ever done pro tips, I think.
Except for I was cracking up.
I know.
Lightning.
Lightning. We rushed those pro tips for a 5-second band show.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine. Good times.